Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use parental control on your Android. How to limit your children or your kids in what they're doing on your Android phone, so they will not be able to do what you will not allow them to do on your Android phone. So let's dive in. Now you go to your Play Store. The first thing you do is go to your Play Store to go and see if we have on or off our parental control. So you go to your Play Store, open your Play Store here. Then you go to this menu button here that indicate this here out. There's a menu button there, and you go to your settings, and this is it for family, which is it for parental control and parent guard. Go there and go and on your parental controls. Go and on it, and you will put a password that you know it is very easy for your children to write or to get. So let me put 2024 here now. You press OK. Then you will type it to make you confirm it 2024. Then you press OK. Now these are the apps I will allow, and this as you can see. This is it. Allow up to 8%, waited for 3%. You can see if I do like this. You can see allow all included or rated. No, these are the rated exemplars. You can see you can now just mark anything that if you mark anything here just for 7 plus, your child would not be able to download anything or watch anything that is below that 7 plus, that is after that 7 plus rather. But if you click on this 12 plus, that means your child or your children have 12 plus upward, so they can view and they can download anything related to that 12 plus. They would not be able to download anything more than that. You can, if you click on the 16 plus, that means they are bound to be among the 16 plus videos, games they wanted to download and watch. They will be among that 16 plus upward. And if you are rated it for 18 plus, that 18 plus you limited them to be or just what the 18 plus. So if you allow all, including unrated everything, they'll be able to view and download any games that is more than their age. So this is why parental control is very good for you, that you used to give your phone to your children or your child to play with, to download. So you just click on save after you have choose the one that you want, and this is it. You have put your parental controls on. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.